Learn with me Algebra 1, Unit 1, the basics. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Me, the podcast where we break down high school topics in a way that actually makes sense. I'm Mr. Peters. Today we're diving into Algebra 1, Unit 1, the absolute foundation. If you've ever looked at algebra and thought, why are there letters in my math? This episode is for you. Alright, let's get into it. So first things first, what even is algebra? At its core, algebra is just math with unknowns. Instead of only working with numbers, we use letters, usually things like x, y, or n, to represent values we don't know yet. Think of it like a mystery. If I say x plus 3 equals 7, you're basically solving for the missing number. What number plus 3 equals 7? And your brain probably already did it, because you can be smart, unlike some. X equals 4. That's algebra. You already know how to do it. You just haven't been calling it that. Now let's clear up something super important. Expressions versus equations. An expression is a math phrase without an equal sign. Example, 3x plus 5. You can simplify it, but you can't solve it because there's nothing to solve for yet. An equation, on the other hand, does have an equal sign. 3x plus 5 equals 20. Now we have a goal. Figure out what x is. Quick tip, expression equals no equal sign. Equation has an equal sign. Before we start solving, we need to talk about something that will absolutely mess you up if you ignore it. Order of operations. You might know it as PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, many things divide, addition, subtraction. 2 plus 3 times 4. You might want to go left to right and get 20, but that's wrong. You're not stupid enough to do that. Though, you multiply first. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then add 2 plus 12 equals 14. So the answer is 14. If you remember nothing else from this section, multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. Now let's simplify expressions. Like terms are terms that have the same variable and exponent. Examples of like terms, 3x and 5x, 2y and negative 7y. Not like terms, 3x and 3y, 4x and 4x squared. To combine like terms, you just add or subtract the coefficients. Example, 3x plus 5x is 8x. You're basically saying 3 apples plus 5 apples is 8 apples. Same idea. Now we get into solving. X plus 5 equals 12. To solve, we isolate the variable. Get your x alone. We do the opposite operation. Since it's plus 5, we subtract 5 from both sides. X plus 5 minus 5 equals 12 minus 5. X equals 7. That's it. Another example. X minus 4 equals 10. Add 4 to both sides, x equals 14. Now we level up a bit. 2x plus 3 equals 11. Step 1, undo the plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides, 2x equals 8. Step 2, undo the 2 times. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 4. Order matters. First undo addition and subtraction, then undo multiplication and division. Okay, this is where some people start to panic, but it's not that bad. Example, 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. Step 1, get variables on one side. Subtract x from both sides. X plus 3 equals 7. Solve like normal. X equals 4. You're basically gathering all the x's together. This one shows up everywhere. 3 times parenthesis x plus 4. You multiply the 3 by everything inside. 3x plus 12. Another, negative 2 parenthesis x minus 5 equals negative 2x plus 10. Watch the signs carefully. That's where mistakes happen. This step is underrated. If you get x equals 4, plug it back into the original equation. Example, 2x plus 3 equals 11. Plug in 4. 2 times 4 plus 3 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. If both sides match, you're good. I know it can feel like, what's the point in any of this? But algebra is less about the exact problems and more about the thinking, problem solving, logic, step-by-step reasoning. It shows up in life, coding, finance, basically anything that involves patterns or unknowns. Algebra equals solving for unknowns. Expressions don't have equal signs, equations do. Use PEMDAS, combine like terms, solve by isolating the variable. Distribute when needed. Always check your answer. If you understand these basics, you already know what you need to do. Thanks for staying with me today. On Learn with Me, you're already closer than you think. Next time, we can get into graphing or inequality.